This is early work on a system to detect arbitrary events in video. What you're seeing here is synthetic football. Plays happen one after another. A play begins when the ball moves and ends when the ball stops. There are 4 types of plays. If the ball stops before or while it's still in the field of play, then that's called an advance. If it stops in the end zone, then it's called a touchdown. If it stops out of bounds passing through the goalpost, then that's called a field goal. And if it stops out of bounds without passing through the field goal post, then that's called an incomplete. So those are the 4 types of plays. The model used here is a ConvNet fed to an LSTM. No motion features were added, so there's just the raw frame at each time step fed to the ConvNet. The system was trained on about 1,000 plays. What you're seeing here is Inference. This is a video that the system has never seen before. What you're seeing in the top left is the frame number and then the label for that frame that the system's inferring. Things to note here, there's no repetition of labels, so what you're seeing up in the top left corner, there aren't a whole bunch of start of play, and then end of play, whatnot. There's a very nice pairing between start of play and end of play. And then there's also very good accuracy on what the type of play was, whether it was a touchdown, incomplete, advance, or field goal. Yeah, another thing to note is sometimes it may make a slightly wrong call, and it does that right at if the ball's passed right at the edge of the goalposts, or if it stops right along the field of play. And that's generally where a normal referee might have a problem making the call. And when looking at the probabilities in the system, it actually is uncertain about those calls. It was just forced to make one of the calls. So that's pretty much it. Thank you.